Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create an Apple ID on web. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you go ahead and open up your mobile device or computer. Just open up a browser. Okay. Now, what you do is just go ahead and go to the URL box and type in account.apple.com. All right. Again, account.apple.com. And once done, just hit on enter and just wait for it to load. And then once it loads, as you can see here at the top right, you have the create your Apple account option. Okay, so what you do is just click on it or tap on it in your mobile device. Wait for it. Now go ahead and begin the creation process. Okay, now enter your first name, last name, region right here, birthday, your email address, password, and just re-enter your password. Okay, the country option right here or the area code. For example, we have here Venezuela. Just click on it. Now just enter the phone number, including the area code. If not, you can just gotta leave the area code. Okay. Verify with text message or phone call. It's up to you. Okay. As Apple right here will verify the number that is used in here. You can enable announcements and apps, music, TV, and more. If not, you can just disable these two and then just enter the CAPTCHA right here. And once done, just hit on continue. And after that, you're good to go. Okay. You can now use this new Apple ID to sign into Apple services on any device. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.